Well, as you can see from the backdrop of the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and Gino Franti, it may be a cold day because it's Fed Day. There's a big decision we've all been waiting for, right, Gino?
Yeah, it's a huge decision. The first time in years that they're considering raising the short-term interest rates.
So today is a big decision. So let's see what Mrs. Janet Yellen thinks about that. Will she be smiling or will we be smiling?
I think she'll be smiling, even if she does raise rates, because we now finally believe, we're finally on the bandwagon that she's got the right ammunition to raise rates. Just a little bit, though, right, Don?
Yeah, she's been teasing us for quite some time now. So our opinion is right here. We believe that basically the rates are going to be raised a quarter point. Not very much, but it's a slow adjustments, and that's what we're kind of hoping for.
Yeah, it's moderate. And here's the reality is, if they don't raise rates, it actually is going to create fear that something's wrong that we don't know about. So if they don't raise rates, it's actually going to be a negative thing.
It will be negative because also raising rates helps control inflation. Inflation hurts long-term bonds, which are mortgage rates, because they're worried about inflation going up and decreasing the value of a long-term bond. So by raising rates, that helps control inflation. So that's why it actually may be a good thing. We think it'll be a good thing to start slowly inching up.
Yeah, and inflation has slowly come to where they want it. We're close to the target right now, pretty much at the target. And the other thing to take into consideration is there's not a lot of fear of deflation, which up until recently we still had some deflationary fears. What's happening in the world could change this, and she can always move it down if she has to.
No doubt about it. We never know what's going to happen abroad, but we are a global economy, and so we're going to see what she does. Let's give you an idea. What's it doing with interest rates recently? Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, what is like a seesaw. This thing has been just up and down, up and down, up and down. The good news is it's kind of a relatively tight range, Don. It's not huge changes.
Yeah, even though you see those big red channels, which are bad. Red is bad, green is good. Green equals lower interest rates, people buying mortgage-backed securities. So let's see how this all reacts tomorrow. That's going to be the key, or later today, I should say. Sorry.
Yeah, in fact, so what we think is going to happen, I think it's pretty much priced into the market, what we're projecting. So hopefully we don't see too much craziness. I think it's as long as we're in line with expectations and we get the quarter increase we're all looking for, the stock market will probably rally. I
think so. So we'll send you an update as soon as we hear a little brief update. So you want to be tuned in by texting NREC to the number 58885. That's NREC to 58885. It rides right on your phone, or go to nrecafe.com. Sign up for the emails. You'll get them there.
Stay tuned for today's update.